Hello, how to simplify this nice math problem without using calculator? Square root of 11 to the power of 4 plus 100 to the power of 4 plus 101 to the power of 4 divided by 2. Solution. Then this can be written as, we have square root of 11 to the power of 4 plus 100 to the power of 4 plus 111 to the power of 4 can be written as 100 plus 11 all to the power of 4, everything divided by 2. And this is equal to, from here, let A is equal to 11 and B is equal to 100. Then we have square root of A to the power of 4 plus B to the power of 4 plus A plus B all to the power of 4, then divided by 2. And this is equal to half square root of, here we have A to the power of 4 plus B to the power of 4 plus, this can be written as A plus B square all square. Then everything divided by 2. Then this is equal to square root of A to the power of 4 plus B to the power of 4 plus, if we expand A plus B square, we have A square plus B square plus 2AB, then all square, everything divided by 2. Then this is equal to square root of, here is A to the power of 4 plus B to the power of 4 plus, if we expand this, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB square, we have A to the power of 4 plus, then B to the power of 4 plus 2A square B plus, then we have A square B square plus B to the power of 4 plus 2A B to the power of 3 plus 2A to the power of 3 B, then plus 2A B to the power of 3 plus 4A square B square then everything divided by 2. Here is 2a to the power of 3b. Then this is equal to, from here we have a to the power of 4 here and a to the power of 4 here. This is square root of 2a to the power of 4. Then we have plus, we also have b to the power of 4, b to the power of 4. We have 2b to the power of 4. Then plus 6a square b square plus 4a to the power of 3b plus 4a b to the power of 3, then everything divided by 2. And this is equal to, here we have, from here, we have square root of 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 3, 2 here 2, 2 here 2. Then this is a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4. And then plus here is 3a square b square plus 2a to the power of 3b plus then 2a b to the power of 3. Now from here to here, this is a square plus b square plus 2a square b square plus a square b square. This is equal to square root of, we have here the whole of this from here to here is a square plus b square all square, then plus this is ab square plus then the whole of this is 2ab bracket a square plus b square. Then this is equal to, if you look at the whole of this is equivalent to square root of a square plus b square plus ab all square. If you expand this, you will get the whole of this back. Then this will cancel this. We have a square plus b square plus ab. Recall that a is equal to 11, then b is equal to 100. Then this is equal to, we have 11 square plus 100 square plus 11 multiplied by 100 then this is equal to 11 square, 121 plus 100 square, that is 10,000 plus 11 multiplied by 100, that is 1,100. Now let's add everything together. We have 10,000, then we have 1,100, and we have 121. So here is 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Therefore, square root of 11 to the power of 4 plus 100 to the power of 4 plus 111 to the power of 4 divided by 2 is equal to 11221, and this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.